Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are thinking about using Sermorelin, you might be wondering how long you can safely take it. Today we'll cover everything you need to know about duration of Sermorelin use from short-term cycle to a long-term benefit. Let's jump right in it. A quick refresher. Sermorelin is the peptide that stimulates your body to produce more natural growth hormone. It's often used to boost your muscle growth, burn fat, and improve your overall health. But to get the best result, knowing how long to use is the key. So how long can you take Sermorelin? Most people start with a cycle of about 3 to 6 months. This duration allows your body enough time to ramp up the growth hormone production and see significant benefits like increased muscle mass, improved recovery, increased fat burning. But it's not just about how long. You need to consider how you cycle it. Cycling is important because it helps your body stay responsive to the peptide. A common approach is to use Sermorelin for 5 days a week and then take 2 days off. This gives your body a bit of break while still keeping those growth hormone level up. After 3 to 6 month cycle, it's usually recommended to take a break, anywhere from 1 to 3 months before restarting it again. What about the long-term use? So Sermorelin is generally considered safe for extended period of time if monitored by a healthcare provider. However, it is very important to regularly check in with your doctor, especially if you're planning to use it beyond the initial cycle. Regular blood tests can help ensure that your growth hormone level are balanced and then that your body is responding well without any side effects. While Sermorelin typically is well tolerated, it's crucial to watch for any sign that it might be time to take a break or adjust your dose. Common sign includes usual fatigue, headache, or any changes in mood or sleep pattern. If you notice anything off, don't hesitate to talk to your healthcare provider. To wrap it up, Sermorelin can be a great tool for boosting muscle growth, fat loss, and overall health. It also improves your sleep. You can safely use it for 3 to 6 months at a time with breaks in between cycle, and potentially even longer with proper monitoring. The key is to stay in tune with your body and work closely with your healthcare provider to get most out of it. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and fitness related videos. And if you have any question about Sermorelin or anything else, drop them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.